Alright, so this is an interesting one still. So this person writes, honestly, saw your video with the bike and almost made judgment. Glad I viewed your page. So what they're referring to is the video where I've got the bike in the hallway and the hallway is looking nuts. People in the comment section will say, yo, my man's living like a tramp. My man's living in a trap house. Yo, is that a bando he's living in? Yo, sell the bike and go and buy some wallpaper. Yo, my man's got cardboard on the floor. Can't even bother to buy a carpet. So yeah, the comments then was amusing still. Now this person decided to go on my page, do a little bit of research. Other people couldn't be bothered to do no research and that. And it's not their job to do no research. If they want to be shallow and just leave comments without doing any research, that's up to them. But what's interesting about this comment is the video that it was left under. So it was left under a video that I uploaded last year and I've just re-uploaded it again. And I was talking about AP watches and Breitling watches and Rolex watches and saying that basically you can't have nothing nowadays because man will try to peel you. In the video I was talking about Arab man and I mentioned Lord Alim. That guy's not even Arab, he's actually from Pakistan, but I thought he was an Arab. But them Arab man and people like Lord Alim used to go to like Knightsbridge and take the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris and rev them up and that. They don't even do that no more because man are getting peeled for their watches and that. Yeah, man are seeing the Lambos, man are seeing the nice cars and just moving to them. So a lot of man don't even go on Knightsbridge anymore. That was a little hotspot back in the day. Now, in that clip, the one that I'm referring to, what I'm saying that like last year I uploaded the video and re-uploaded it. I was talking about a guy that, you get me, got sent on a first class ticket to heaven. Some girl set him up and he ended up getting poked and now he's not around anymore. And I'm saying like, yo man, it's sad that it happened to my man, you get me, he's got kids and that, he got honey trapped. He just wanted to go link a gal. He thought he was getting lucky that night. I'm saying it's sad. So what I did, and you know what, you can't really blame me because obviously I was just reacting to a video that I saw on Channel 4. I thought the guy was innocent. Come to find out. So a guy got set up, he got honey trapped, he got poked, he's no longer here. It's sad, right? Well, not really, because he did that to somebody a few years ago or the previous year. I think furthermore, yeah. So the guy came out of jail, I believe, and then he got honey trapped. The reason why he came out of jail is because he got put in prison, I think, for doing the same thing. Whether he got put in prison or not, I don't know. But he done the same thing to someone else. He got some chicks to set up a ute and he ended up, taking a man's things. Yeah, he didn't take no one's life, yeah, but he ended up taking a man's things. So you know what? Yo, live by the sword, yeah, you understand? I thought it was sad, like, yo, my man's not here no more. He got his watch taken and he got poked and now he's not here. Come to find out, a year or two prior, he done the exact same thing to someone else. Boy. The irony in that. So yeah, certain times we can be wrong because we don't do no research. Now, it's not my job. If I see a documentary on Channel 4 about a man getting robbed and he ended up getting poked, I'm not doing no what if I go looking around bare videos in the archives and that to see if I find some information on him from beforehand. No. But yeah, it's crazy how you can think one thing and then, do a little research or something, gets brought to light and it will change your perception on that. So yeah, a lot of people, in regards to the bike in the yard and that, a lot of people are taking the piss and that, they think man's broke and that, they don't understand, man got 6 puppies. You know what I mean? But it is what it is, isn't it?